Hello, my name is Mark Waldman, and I wanted to talk to you today about one of the new tools in the tool bag of building inspection engineers, and that is drones. They're devices that can be equipped with cameras to do visual observations. They can be equipped with thermal imaging devices to look for air leaks and water leaks in buildings, and they can be equipped with digitizing devices to make measurements and maps. Very, very powerful tools, and the technology is advancing rapidly. They can also save significant amounts of time and money in that the rapid deployment of the devices saves time where in the past one might have had to use a swing stage or man lift to get access to a certain part of a building. These devices can be rapidly deployed in a matter of hours to look at areas that may not have been safe to access without a swing stage. With any new technology, regulation comes into play, and drone use for commercial building inspection purposes is no different. The FAA regulates and licenses pilots, registers devices. Additionally, state and local governments may have restrictions on time that the devices can be used and how high the vehicle can fly. One of the most important aspects of regulation is that of privacy, and drones cannot be used without the full consent of owners. So drones do not replace building inspection engineers. They can be used as a tool to help refine and focus inspections that can later then be more closely analyzed at arm's length, but they're here to stay, and the technology and sophistication of these tools is advancing rapidly. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for listening.